Okay students, now we are in the topic of maximum minima. We are discussing maximum minima topic level 3. Until previous class we have discussed about 34 questions. Until 34 questions we discussed already. Handled 34 questions in level 3. This is 35th question. F of x is equal to 2 plus step sin x. This is the step value. Step sin x are greatest integer function, GIF, greatest integer function. In 0 less than or equal to x less than pi by 2 he given. 0 less than or equal to x less than pi by 2. We know that step sin x value, step sin x is equal to 0. In between the values 0 comma pi by 2, 0 closed open pi by 2 is equal to 0, this value, because this is 0 here, because 0 comma pi by 2, in between the value 0 comma pi by 2, sin 90 maximum value of sin x is equal to 1, where 90 degrees, so sin 90 is equal to 1, so the total value lies between always 0 and 1. The step value of 0 and 1 is only 0. So no need to calculate, no need to derivate, counting, differentiation, everything. So you can write simply f of x is equal to 2. Therefore you can write max value according to options I am writing. Max value of f of x, maximum value of f of x is equal to 2. That's all. As maximum value is equal to 2, it is here second option. Now let us discuss about 36th question. This was an important question in IPE in 2006. Now it became mains question. 36th question. Given f of x is equal to x power 1 by x. F of x equal to x power 1 by x. X greater than 0 has the maximum value at x equal to e. Given it has, f of x has already in level 2 or in level 1 we discussed about this maximum value. F of x has maximum value, then he is asking f of x has maximum value. F of x has maximum value yet x equal to e. So whenever x is equal to e, he given. If you calculate as taking y and taking logarithm both sides and dy by dx, getting the value dy by dx is equal to 0, you will get the value as x is equal to e. Anyhow, he given the value x is equal to e. Therefore, we can write that according to options I am writing here. We know that the same question have discussed in level 2. We know that e less than pi. E I am writing the value 2.718. Pi is equal to 3.14. 2.718 is an irrational number and 3.14 is an irrational number. This is e less than pi. So whenever e less than pi is there, if e less than pi, e is equal to 2.718 and pi is equal to 3.14, you can say that here whenever e less than pi, raising the power 1 by e, here e power 1 by e greater than pi power 1 by pi, e power 1 by e greater than pi power 1 by pi. So we can say that whenever e less than pi, e power 1 by pi greater than pi power 1 by e, then we can write here rise power pi e both sides, rise power pi e both sides. Whenever you raise power pi e both sides, you can say that e power pi e by e greater than pi power pi e by pi. Pi get cancelled, here e get cancelled. You can say that here e power pi greater than pi power e. E power pi greater than pi power e. So here according to option, first option. Let us discuss about 37th question. A comma b greater than 0. A comma b greater than 0, then minimum value of y is equal to b square by a minus x plus a square by x. 37. Y is equal to b square by a minus x plus a square by x. 0 less than x less than a, 0 less than x less than a comma b greater than 0 he given. So a is positive and b is positive, the value x lies between 0 and a. Then he is asking minimum value of y. Let us discuss to get the y is min or max. Dy by dx is equal to 0. Here I am writing dy by dx is equal to 0, b square by a minus x whole square, because 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square and minus x integral derivative minus 1 minus of minus becomes plus b square by a minus x whole square minus a square by x square here is equal to 0 we can write. That implies next step I am writing here b square by a minus x whole square is equal to a square by x square. Here he given 0 less than x less than need a comma b greater than 0. Then take a positive square root here. b by a minus x is equal to a by x. By cross multiplication we can write bx is equal to a square minus ax. Minus ax taken this side, it becomes a plus b is equal to a square. So x we can write here, x is equal to a square by a plus b. You substitute the value, this value substitute in y, let it be first equation. I am writing here sub in 1. Substitute the value, x value in 1, we get the minimum value y is equal to b square by a minus, here you write a square by a plus b, a square by a plus b plus a square by a plus b. Instead of x I had written here b square by, here I am writing a square plus ab, a square plus ab minus a square into a plus b taken this side plus a square by this is a square plus a square into a plus b taken into numerator. Here denominator a square get cancelled, a square get cancelled. Here b square get cancelled. b into a plus b by a here. b into a plus b by a plus b by 1. Taken common the value a plus b in numerator. We can write here b by a plus 1. That is equal to a plus b into, taken LCM here a plus b by a, we can write here a plus b whole square, whole by a. That is the minimum value of the given function. So that is 7th question, minimum value is here, 4th option, a plus b whole square by a. Let us discuss about 38th question. 38th question he given as f of x is equal to x square minus 1 by x square plus 1. X square minus 1 by x square plus 1 for every real number. Then minimum value of f according to option we can verify also. To calculate the function f of x is min or max, f dash x is equal to 0. So by using the u by v derivative method, vu dash minus u dash by v square, we can write here x square plus 1 into 2x minus x square minus 1 into 2x whole by x square plus 1 whole square is equal to 0. Here taken LCM x square, 2x we can take LCM, 2x into, there you can write x square plus 1 minus x square plus 1. So 2 becomes 2 to the 4, you can write here 4x by x square plus 1 whole square equal to 0. Therefore x equal to 0. If x equal to 0, substitute what he is asking, every real number, then minimum value is asking. Minimum value does not exist, that not attained even though f is bounded here, it is not at all correct option, equal to 1 equal to minus 1 there. If you substitute the value 0 here, 0 minus 1 becomes. If you get the value to calculate f double dash x, I am writing here x square plus 1 whole square into 4 minus 4 into 4x into vu dash minus u dash by v square, 2 into x square plus 1, 2 into x square plus 1 into 2x. Let us calculate the step derivative here. we substitute directly, we will get minus 1 answer. First let us consider the second derivative exists or not. F double dash x. This is f dash x. F dash x. To calculate the f double dash x, I am writing here x is 4 taken common. X square plus 1 whole square into 1 minus of here x into x square plus 1 whole square derivative 2 into x square plus 1 into 2x whole by x square plus 1 whole power 4, that is equal to, here if you substitute the value instead of x you 0, then here this becomes full 0, 4 into 0 square plus 1, so 4 greater than 0 min. So whenever f double dash x greater than 0 it is minimum. So therefore minimum value he is asking. Minimum value is equal to f of 0. At 0 we got the function f of x is minimum. Here if you substitute the value 0 minus 1 by 0 plus 1, so f of 0 is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 is the minimum value. Simply given the option as 4 is equal to minus 1. Let us discuss about 40th question. F of x is equal to, maybe some mistake is there here, let us discuss about the mistake. F of x is equal to tan inverse x. F of x is equal to tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 log x. Tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 log x, then according to option we will verify. First of all let us calculate the derivative. F dash x I am writing here, f dash x is equal to 0. The derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by 1 plus x square minus this is 1 by 2x. Because log's derivative is 1 by x is equal to 0, you can write it. That implies 2x by, I am writing here, 2x taken common, 2x by 1 plus x square into 2x minus 1 minus x square equal to 0. You can write here this one as minus taken common x minus 1 whole square. If minus taken common, minus 2x plus 1 plus x square plus 1 minus 2x becomes x minus 1 whole square. X minus 1 whole square by like this, 2x into 1 plus x whole square equal to 0. We can write here x minus 1 whole square x equal to 0, x minus 1 equal to 0, x is equal to 1. The value at x equal to 1 we got. Let us calculate the second derivative also. F double dash x I am writing. F double dash x. Let us calculate second derivative like this. U dash minus u dash by v square. Once again here we can write the step. No. Better to calculate 1. Diff 1 I am writing here. This becomes lengthy. Diff 1. 1 by 1 plus x square. This is of the form 1 by x square. 1 by x square derivative 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square. So x square derivative minus 2x internal derivative minus 2x by 1 plus x square whole square, you can write here. Minus 2x by 1 plus x whole square minus 1 by x derivative minus 1 by x square, here you can write 1 by 2x square. Yet this is the derivative, it's double derivative, f double dash x. F double dash x you have written as this one minus 2x by 1 plus x whole square plus 1 by 2x square. This is 1 by 2x. Yet x equal to 1 if you substitute minus 2. F double dash of 1 I am writing. F double dash of 1 you can write here minus 2 by 1 plus 1 whole square, 1 plus 1 2 square means 4 plus 1 by 2. Here you know that minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 equal to 0. F double dash of 1 equal to 0. F double dash of x should not be equal to 0. If f double dash x is 0, then the function we can say that it is neither minimum nor maximum, or f double dash of the point is called as point of inflection. So it is not correct. X equal to 1 don't take. So according to given options, given I am writing. So we should discuss about local maxima or local minima. Given the value x is equal to 1 by root 3 comma root 3. 1 by root 3 comma root 3 given. Let us discuss about f double dash of 1 by root 3 and f dash of root 3. Later we can decide whether it is minimum or maximum where the function exists. F double dash 1 by root 3 I am writing here, minus 2 by root 3. Minus 2 by root 3 by 1 plus, this is 1 by 3. 1 plus 1 by 3 whole square. 1 plus 1 by 3 whole square plus 1 by 2 by 3 you can write here. 2 by 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 3 whole square becomes 1 by 3. Here you can write minus 2 by root 3. Minus 2 by root 3 into the denominator 1 3 plus 1 4 by 3. 4 by 3 whole square 16 by 9. If we put reverse here 9 by 16 you can write 9 by 16 plus 3 by 2. Next 2 get cancelled here 8 times minus 9 by 8 root 3 here. Minus 9 by 8 root 3 plus 3 by 2. Minus 9 by 8 root 3 plus 3 by 2. Take an LCM here 8 root 3. You can write here minus 9 plus this is 4 root 3, 4 3 is 12 root 3. So this is greater than 0 because 12 into root 3 means 1.73 to 12 into 1.7 maybe greater than 12, that minus 9 approximately 4 like that, it is positive. So yet this value f of x I am writing here, f of x is min, f of x has a minimum value, f of x is the minimum at 1 by root 3. So now minimum value I am writing. Minimum value is equal to f of 1 by root 3. According to given interval 1 by root 3 comma root 3, I am checking the minimum value. You can substitute here tan inverse of 1 by root 3. Tan inverse of minus 1 by root 3 minus 1 by 2 log of 1 by root 3. Tan inverse of 1 by root 3 answer is pi by 6 minus. You can write here 1 by 2 log of 3 power 1 by 2. That is equal to pi by 6, this 1 by 2 taken that side minus, because under denominator, 3 power minus 1 by 2, right? Minus of minus becomes plus 1 by 4 log 3, 1 by 4 log 3. Let us see the option, pi by 6 plus 1 by 4 log 3 is the least value. Least value on f of x, 1 by root 3 comma root 3, pi by 6 plus 1 by 4 log 3. 40th question. According to our data here we got first option, but he given the answer is second option. That one also we can verify whether where the mistake we can find. Now I am writing now f of root 3, f double dash of root 3 I am writing. Try to understand, here you can substitute. Here means this one, this is f double dash x. Here I am substituting. Minus 2 root 3 here, you can write minus 2 root 3. Minus 2 root 3 by 1 plus root 3 whole square means 3, 1 plus 3 means 4, 4 square 16. Plus 1 by 2 root 3 whole square 1 by 6 you can write. This 2 taken this side will be divided 8 times, 8 to 6, LCM is 24. LCM of 8 and 6 is 24. 8 3 times you will be dividing, here you can write minus 3 root 3 plus this is 4. 4 minus 3 root 3. 3 into root 3 means 1.73 to 3 into 1.7 becomes 5.1. 5.1 minus 5.1 plus 4, it is less than 0. You can write this is less than 0. Therefore, f of x is maximum. F of x is maximum at root 3. Therefore, if you need the max value or greatest value, max value if you need, you can substitute the value f of root 3 in this f of function. What is the value of f of x? Tan inverse x minus 1 by 2 log x. Here you can write tan inverse root 3 minus 1 by 2 log root 3. You can write here tan inverse root 3 value pi by 3 because it is 60 degrees. 1 by 2 log root 3. Log root 3 you can written as minus 1 by 2 log 3 power 1 by 2. 1 by 2 becomes here, you can write 1 by 4 log 3 is the max value. But according to options, the least value of f of x 1 by root 3 comma root 3 is pi by 3 minus 1 by 4 log 3 is given. It is wrong. Only first option is correct. Change the correct one. 40th question. Let us discuss about 41st question. Let f of x is equal to question, 40 completed, 41st question. F of x is equal. He given f of x is equal to x minus 2 into x power 4. X minus 2. X minus 2 into x power 4 minus 4x cube plus 6x square. Plus 6x square minus 4x plus 1. Then value of local minimum of f. Local minimum of f. Local minimum of f. Students, let us discuss about Pascal triangle. Of course, you know, even though you know I am writing here, a, b, this is a power 1, b power 1. So here these are quotient 1 and 1. This is 1, this is 1. 1 and 1. For a binomial theorem, for any binomial theorem means only the polynomial which is having two terms. So power may be anything. A plus b whole square. Here a plus b I am writing. For a plus b, a power 1 and b power 1 is there. A plus b whole square. A plus b whole square formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square. For a square plus 2a plus b square, first letter a square quotient 1 always binomial quotient, this 1 and this 1 add it to. Then you make it a square plus 2ab plus b square model. Next let us discuss about a plus b whole cube. A plus b whole cube here, first and last always 1. So a cube plus 3a square b. Just I am writing the formula in the order. A cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. A cube plus 3a square b. 1, 3, 3, 1 are the quotients. Using like this we get 1, 2, adding 1, 2 is 3 and adding 2, 1 is 3. Let us discuss about a plus b whole power 4. The coefficients first and last always 1. You can understand that this is 1, 3, adding 4 we can get here 3 and 3 adding 6, here we can get 3 and 1 adding 4. These are called as coefficients using the Pascal triangle. Pascal triangle, I think you have learnt in 10th class. If you could not understand, you will be learning in binomial theorem in second year 2-year topic. Just these are coefficients. Next 1, 5 is like this. This is 5, 10, 10, 5 like that. Here 5, 10, 10. Next 1, 1. So next topic 1, 5, 10, 10. 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1 like that. This is called as, the process is known as Pascal process. These triangles are called as Pascal triangles. Why do you say, sir? Here the explanation is there. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1, a plus b whole power 4. Whether minus is alternating, you can say that minus. So here the formula should be in the form of minus 1. So that implies I am writing here directly f of x is equal to x minus 2 into x minus 1 whole power 4. This one. X minus 1 whole power 4. Directly we can write, to understand I said this thing. F of x is equal to x minus 2 into x minus 1 whole power 4. To calculate the function f of x, whether it is min or max, to count the derivative, first derivative is 0, 4 into x uv dash plus v dash, whether I am following x minus 1 whole power 4 into this is 1 equal to 0. You can take common here x minus 1 whole cube. X minus 1 whole cube taken common. You can write here 4x minus 8 plus x minus 1 equal to 0. X minus 1 whole cube taken common. So x is equal to 1, this is a case, and 4x plus x, so 5x is equal to 9, x is equal to 9 by 5, this is a case. If you put x is equal to minimum, he is asking, if you put x is equal to 1, here 1 minus 2, minus 1 and 1 minus 0, so 0 option is not there. So that is why simply substitute here 9 by 5. Otherwise, if 0 you did not give, we can say directly. Otherwise, you should calculate double derivative also. So no need, we did not use 0. So simply you substitute the value 9 by 5 here. From 1 I am writing. From 1 f of 9 by 5. This is the minimum value. Instead of x you can substitute here 9 by 5 minus 2. 9 by 5 minus 2 into 9 by 5 minus 1 whole power 4. What is the value of 9 by 5 minus 2? 5 minus 2, 5 is 10 minus 1 by 5. Minus 1 by 5 into 9 minus 5, 4 by 5. This is 4 by 5. 4 by 5 whole power 4. So you can write here minus 4 power 4 by 5 power 5 is the minimum value. Minus 4 power 5 by 5 power 4. Yes, this is the correct answer. Third option. Now let us discuss about 42nd question. This is important in mains and sequence and series also. In the manner of sequence and series, you will be learning the chapter sequence and series in second year, 2-year topic, only mains concept. There you will be getting the same question, minimum value. Minimum value of 3x plus 4y. Maybe the condition given for x greater than 0. So positive you should take. For x greater than 0, y greater than 0, comma, the condition he given as x square y cube is equal to 6. Based on the condition we should use here x square y cube. Understand 2 and 3, total 5 terms are there. X square y cube. If you consider this as a homogeneous function, of course this is not homogeneous function. If you add these 2 powers, so 2 plus 3 equal to 5, we should write this 3x plus 4y in terms of 5, in the 5 terms. So I am writing here 3x by 2. Try to understand, you will be understood this one, 3x by 2 plus 3x by 2. Next, you can write here 4y by 3. 4y by 3 plus 4y by 3 plus 4y by 3. Because here 3 times 3 into 4y by 3 will be getting cancelled. 2 times 2 into 3xp to get cancelled. Sir, why did you write like this? Use the formula I am writing. Use am greater than or equal to gm. Using the formula for 5 terms I am writing 3x by 2 plus 3x by 2. 3x by 2 plus 3x by 2 plus 4y by 3 plus 4y by 3 plus 4y by 3. 4y by 3. Put the whole bracket and small bracket here, greater than or equal to whole by 5. Total how many terms? 5. This is using the term am greater than or equal to 0. This one. Am greater than or equal to gm. This is 5th root. How many terms are there? That much root you should use here. 5th root of, I am writing here 3x by 2 into 3x by 2. Put a bracket here. And here you can write 4y by 3 dot 4y by 3 dot 4y by 3. 4y by 3 into 4y by 3 into 4 by 3. This many. Next this one full directly can write here 3x plus 4y directly I am writing. To calculate this one, splitted the terms like this. After distribution, we can write here 3x plus 4y greater than or equal to 5 into 5th root of, how many 3's are there? 3 square you can write. 3 square by 4 and how many 4's are there? 4 cube by 3 cube into x square y cube. Here given what is the value? 6. From, this is an equation 1. From 1 we can write here. From 1 we have, otherwise from 1 we can write as 3x plus 4y. 3x plus 4y greater than or equal to 5 into 5th root of. 5 into 5th root of 3 square by 3 cube you can write here. 3 square by 3 cube 1 by 3 and this is 4 square. 16 by 3 you can write into 6 you can write here. Here 3, 6 I had written the formula, the value. 3 2s are 6 got cancelled. 16 into 16 to the 32. So we can write here 3x plus 4y greater than or equal to 5 into 5th root of 32 is 2. So 3x plus 4y greater than or equal to 5 to the 10 is the answer. 5th root of 32 is 2. 42 completed. 43 completed. Let us discuss 44 question. 44th question is different model question. It depends upon minimum maximum concept. 43rd. 42 completed. This is 43. F of x is equal to 43rd. F of x is equal to x square plus 2bx plus 2c square. F of x equal to x square plus 2bx plus 2c square, and g of x is equal to minus x square minus 2cx plus b square. Min value of f of x is always greater than of g of x. The condition min of f of x greater than max of g of x. Min of f of x greater than max of g of x. To calculate the function, whether it is min or max, you should calculate f dash x greater than f dash x is equal to 0 here. Here, let us consider the derivative of f of x. You can write 2x plus 2d. Here, g dash x. G dash x is equal to minus 2x minus 2c. Here is equal to 0 you can write. So x is equal to minus b we can write. If we calculate double derivative f, here f dash x, f double dash is 2, so it is always min. Here g double dash always minus 2, so it always max. So according to condition it is correct. Now min is equal to 0 you can write here. So minus 2x, minus taken common, minus x is equal to c. So x is equal to minus c you can write here. X is equal to minus c for g of x and x is equal to minus b for f of x. So condition you can write here f of minus b. Condition f of minus b greater than g of minus c. Condition I am writing. This is the condition. What is f of minus b? Substitute here instead of x. So you can write here b square minus 2b square. B square minus 2b square plus 2c square. Greater than, here you substitute the value minus c square you get. Minus c square. Minus c square minus of minus plus 2c square. This is plus 2c square. Plus 2c square plus b square. Now that implies I am writing 2c square. 2c square minus b square. This is minus 2b square. 2c square minus b square. 2c square minus b square greater than b square minus c square. No, plus c square. This c square taken this side, it becomes a c square greater than this minus b square taken this side to b square. So if you take mod c, you can write here mod c greater than or equal to root 2 mod b. According to option, you can verify mod c greater, second option. Mod c greater than or equal to root 2 into mod b. Now let us discuss about 44th question. The smallest value of m capital M such that modulus x square minus 3x plus 2, this is modulus, less than or equal to m. We want here smallest value of this m for all x. For all x in the given, for all x belongs to given closed interval 1 comma 5 by 2. 1 comma 5 by 2. Let us discuss about here. Let f of x is equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. I am not discussing about whether it is positive or negative, only for modulus is there. Let us discuss here f of x equal to x square minus 3x plus 2. Now to calculate the function f of x is min or max, f dash is equal to 0 you can write. So you write here 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So you will be getting x is equal to 3 by 2. X is equal to 3 by 2. Next double derivative is 2. So it is min. F double dash x is 0, it is min. He is asking the least value of, he is asking smallest value of m. So maybe it is maximum. The m smallest value m you should No. If you substitute 3 by 2 here, f of 3 by 2 I am writing, students. F of 3 by 2. If you take double derivative, it is greater than it is minimum only, no problem. 3 by 2 substitute here, 9 by 4 minus 9 by 2 plus 2. 9 by 4 minus 9 by 2 plus 2. Take an LCM 9. Here you can write 9 minus, take an LCM 4, 9 minus 18 plus 8 whole by 4. Here minus 1 by 4 is there. Minus 1 by 4 minimum value we got. If we substitute 1, the given interval as 1 here, in the given if you substitute 1 and 2 are critical points here. 1, if you substitute 1 here it is 0. So 0 is the minimum value and minus 1 by 4 no need to calculate. So value I am writing here minus 1 by 4 less than or equal to f of x. If you substitute, let us substitute 1 and 5 by 2 also, later we can discuss regarding modulus. Minus 1 by 4 minimum we got. Substitute here 1, students, f of 1 I am writing, f of 1 becomes 0. Now let us substitute the value 5 by 2 also. If we substitute 5 by 2 here, we can write 25 by 4 minus 3, 5s are 15 by 2 plus 2. 15 by 2 plus 2. Take an LCM, here it is 25 minus 30 plus 8 whole by 4. This is 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 we got, that implies we can write the value function minus 1 lies between minus 1 by 4 f of x lesser than or equal to 3 by 4. So now mod I am taking, for modulus I am writing here, for modulus. For modulus minus 1 by 4 mod you should not write 0, minimum 0 less than or equal, because minus 0 is greater than minus 1 by 4. Like this you should write. 0 less than mod less than or equal to f of x less than or equal to 3 by 4. So according to option 3 by 4 is the least value of this one, students. For m, so m is this is the least value of 3 by 4. So m should not exceed, try to understand, here m is there, m is the 3 by 4, m should not exceed 3 by 4, that's all. So least value. Least value of m is equal to 3 by 4. Now 44 question completed. Let us discuss 43rd question. It is so lengthy question and it is a wrong question, students. So many concepts are there. Sorry, 44 completed. 45th question. A soft drink manufacturer wants to fabricate cylindrical cans for its products. The can is to have the volume 34375 cubic centimeters. A cylindrical can. So volume of cylinder we should calculate. This is a cylindrical can. This is base radius r, here also r, this is h. Volume of can he given I am writing, given volume of cylindrical can. V is equal to the formula pi r square h. 34,375 cubic centimeters. 34,375. If r is the radius of can, we require least amount of material. So to require the least amount of material, r is the smallest radius of here I mean base radius. So find 8 pi r square. To find require least radius. To find I am writing 8 pi r square. To find 8 pi r square. Here he is discussing about the can to have volume, okay, far as the radius to can require least amount, because a soft drink manufacturer wants to fabricate cylinder cans. He wants to manufacturing
fabricating cylindrical cans for its product. A soft drink manufacturer is preparing the can to have the volume 34375 cubic centimeters as far as the radius for the can to require least amount. So to get calculated the required least amount or greatest amount, we should count total surface area. Total surface area I am writing. Total surface area. Total surface area S is equal to 2 pi RH. Yesterday we said that total surface area S is equal to 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square. 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square. Here let it be first equation. I am writing here V is equal to pi R square H. Using V is equal to pi R square H, I am writing here H is equal to V by pi R square. Later we can discuss about V. V by pi R square, in letters I am writing V by pi R square. That implies S. So substitute H here. S, the surface area 2 pi R into. So V is a constant. I am writing the words in terms of R. 2 pi R into V by pi R square plus 2 pi R square. Here pi get cancelled, R get cancelled. S is equal to 2V by R. R square got cancelled, only R is there. 2V by R into here 2 pi R square. 2V by R plus 2 pi R square. To find he is saying that least amount. So what is, whether it is the amount is least, the cylinder capacity depends upon curved surface, total surface area, whether it is min or max. You should calculate now. ds by dr is equal to 0. Using V as a constant, simply it is a number. Minus 1 by r square, you write the formula minus 2b by r square. Plus here r derivative, r square derivative 4 pi r equal to 0. So ds by dr taken this side, you can write with 2 you can multiply. So let us calculate, students, 4 pi r cube minus 2v. 4 pi r cube minus 2v by r square equal to 0. If any necessary you can calculate later the derivative. Now we can write here 4 pi r cube. 4 pi r cube is equal to 2v. 4 pi r cube is equal to 2v. That implies you should calculate volume also. 4 pi r cube is equal to 2v. Now you can write pi r cube. Pi r cube is equal to v by 2. Pi r cube is equal to v by 2. R cube we should calculate. So using volume also. We don't know r cube. What is the value he given? 34375. Okay. 34375. R cube I am writing here. R cube is equal to v by 2 pi. V by 2 pi. So R cube is equal to V, we can write here 34375. 34375 by 2 pi. So 44 by 7. Here we can write 7 by 44. By taking logarithm here R cube is equal to multiply with 7. 7 5 is 35, 3 7 7 is 49, 3 52, 5 7 3 is 21, 5 26, 2 7 4 is 28, 2 33, 7 3 is 21, 3 24. 240,625 by 44. Taking the logarithm, so R is equal to, we can write here 240,625. 240,625 by 44 whole power 1 by 3. By taking a logarithm, log R I am writing. Log R is equal to, you can write here 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into log of 240,625. 240,625 minus log 44. Minus log 44. After calculation to this is base E. After calculating this value, by dividing this value we can take anti-logarithm. Let us see logarithm. Using logarithm tables. I brought the book, students. 24065, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. So total 6 digits are there. Whenever 6 digits are there, you should put 5 and point. It is called as characteristic. Whenever 7 digits are there, you put 6. Whenever 5 digits are there, you put 4, like that. One digit should be reduced. It is called as characteristic. While doing anti-logarithm, you should add one thing. You should add one digit. It is called as mantissa. Here you should see the logarithm, only logarithm in 24 and 06. 24 logarithm is here, 24, 0, 38, 02 and 6 mean difference is 11. So 3813. 3813 here. You can write 3813. 5.3813. Next, this is log 44. 44 having 2 digits, so 2 minus 1, 1 point. Under 44 you should see 0. 44, 06435. This is 6435. Subtract 13 minus 5, 8. This is 8. 13 minus 5. So 10 minus 3, 7. 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4, 3. Here 13 minus 6, 7. 4 minus 1, 3. So this is 1 by 3 students. 1 by 3 into there. 1 by 3. So you can write now 1 point. This is a 2, 4, 17, 3, 5. And this is 6. 1.2456. Now log R we got. Anti-log. R is equal to anti-log I am writing. Anti-logarithm of 1.2456. So while seeing logarithm, anti-logarithm, you should not consider one point. For every anti-logarithm, point should be there. Point will be there. Point is there. Should. Point 24, 5 and 6. Point 24, 5 and 6 you see. Point 24, 5 is 1758 and 6 is 2. So 1760 is there. We got here 1760. Here 1 point is there. Then 1 add. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. After 2 digits you put 0. So R is equal to 17.60. We got. So R value we got now. So what we should calculate? Now once again see the question. R we got. Then 8 pi R square. 2. Enter everything okay. To find I am writing once again. To find out 8 pi R square. So 8 into the pi value 22 by 7 into R square means 17.60 whole square. 17.60 whole square. So by logarithm once again 8 into 22 becomes 176. 176 by 7 into 17.6 whole square. 117 by 6 into 17.6 whole square. 17.6 whole square. So you can write logarithm, I am writing here. Logarithm 17.6. Log, using logarithm to calculate this one. Log 176 plus this is a 2 log. 2 log 17.6 minus log 7. After completion of verifying anti-logarithm, we get the value. 70 log 176. So 3 digits is having 2 point you should put 2 and under logarithm page, open the logarithm page and see 17 under 6. Only simple logarithm 17.6. So 17.6 you can say here 17 under 6. The value 2455. 2455. 2455. Here log 17.6. 17 point means only 1 point. Here you can write 1.2455. Another is there, no? You better to write here once again. 1.2455. Otherwise you have multiplied. Add this one and log 7 subtract. This is 15, 16, 1, 4, 1, 5, 4, 9, 9, 4, 13, 1. This is 6, 1, 7. This is 4. 4.7365 minus now log 7 only single digit mono digit. You should put 0 there and you should see the logarithm 70 under 0. So the value 8451. Here 8451 is there. Subtract this one 4, this is 1, this is 9 and this is 8, this is 3. 4, 6, 1, 30 minus 4, 9, 6, 16 minus 8, 8, this is only 3. Now you can write here anti-logarithm of 3.8914. So, in the anti-logarithm page you should see 8.8914, 0.89 is there, 0.891, 0.8917780 and 4 is mean difference is 7, 7787 we got. The value is 7787. 3 is there, no? So 3 plus 1 we should add one thing. So 1 digit, 1, 2, 3, 4. At last, after 4 digits you put point and 0. So 8 pi r square. 8 pi r square value is 7787. Dear students, observe that this lengthy sum is wrong. So sum is, this is okay. By calculating logarithm, by calculating calculator we can do. Why? Because I calculated using logarithm means logarithm gives accurate value. You can calculate using you calculate this value using calculator also. Anyhow I want to discuss with you, the sum he given is wrong. Answer is wrong. The question is totally wrong. But whatever the sum we discuss, question is process okay, but question is okay, but answer is wrong. Answer should change. No option is there. Now let us discuss about 46th question.